What's going on, good people? It's Terrence, man, with Southern Gentleman's Table. Today we're gonna do some grilling. It's football season. You know, I normally smoke a lot of meat, ribs, brisket, but today we're gonna do grilling. We're doing burgers, we're doing salmon. Alright, we're gonna start with 2 pounds of 85-15 ground lean. Put that in there. We'll pack a liquid soup mix. We'll do 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna do a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. There we go. We'll do a little bit more of that because it has the egg portion in it. It's going to help bind it. Lifting up the soup mix and the Worcestershire gives it good flavor. And don't get me wrong, you can still make, put some seasoning on, do some spices. But as far as the burger itself, this is the perfect 3 ingredient, very easy. So from this point, with this, you can make about 6 to 8 patties. If you have a machine, if you want to weigh them out, but I just kind of eyeball it, make you a few of these burgers. It has good consistency. And then what you should do is once you make these patties out, you should probably put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes and let them set. And that's it. All right. All right, so that's it on the burger. So the next thing we're gonna work on, we're gonna do skin side, skin on salmon. Right. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, so listen, we're gonna grill some of these burgers. They've been sitting in the fridge for about 30 minutes, so they kind of set. Now, if you notice, I want you to kind of look at the grill. What I did is I put the coals to one side and I left one side blank. So I'm gonna grill on the hot side, and then after they get a nice color and come, then I'll put them over here. So direct heat, indirect. So I'm gonna grill them, stack them over here. All right. Got a little olive oil. Yeah. In a minute, the flames gonna kick up, and we're gonna have a true flame broil burgers. We don't get no better than this though. There it is. All right, welcome back, good people. So listen, I got the burgers out there on the grill. They're doing amazing. And so now I'm getting ready to prepare some wild salmon. We're gonna put some salmon on the grill. So we're gonna put this together right now, okay? So listen, a checklist I want to show you. It's always important when you're gonna grill salmon to have the salmon skin on. Okay. All right, so a whole nice piece of fish. They already kind of cut it in some 6-ounce sections, 4 to 6-ounce sections, which is fine. But skin side on, because that's gonna protect the fish when I cook it, all right? So I'm gonna lay that fish down. But first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I got some things I wanna mix together. So in this bowl, what I have here, I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I have a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of Tony Chachere's. All right, we'll mix in. We got 1/4 cup of honey. All right, pour that in. This is gonna be nice. It's gonna be a beautiful thing. We'll mix that up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that and we're gonna brush that. See if you can see that. We're gonna brush that over that salmon. Look at that. That's gonna be good. Literally. That's gonna be good right there. That's it. I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna go out there, we're gonna put this bad boy on the grill. It's gonna be amazing, all right?
I think you can see what it looks like on the top. That looks good, actually.
Right. All right, so now we're getting ready to put this salmon on. We're gonna put it skin side down because that's gonna keep the fish nice and tender. Got a little olive oil on the bottom of the skin. There we go. What's going on, good people? All right, so listen, so we got the salmon on now. Now we're gonna do some chicken breast. So again, today we're doing direct cooking, right? Normally indirect cooking, we're doing ribs and brisket and that type of stuff that's indirect. The heat source is here, your meat source is here, but then we're doing direct cooking. So we got some chicken breast. Now this is a little bit thick. Now me personally, I like to kind of cut these horizontally, make them a little bit thinner. They cook a lot easier. So we're gonna do that first thing first. I'm gonna take that chicken breast and we're gonna make that thin. You see, a little bit thinner. See, it's pretty thin. And then you can kind of shape it up a little bit. You can trim some of that off. And we'll do the same thing here. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. Nice butterfly. You see that? Cut that down. All right. So now, what we have here, I have brown sugar, I have onion powder, garlic powder, and I have some Cajun spices. Over here, I have some Italian dressing. Mix them all together. And there we go. This is my quick. You don't really need to marinate the chicken. You can if you want to, but I'm cooking hot and fast. That's all you need right there. I'm telling you, these are gonna be perfect. All right, that's it. So now we're gonna take these on out there and put them on the grill, all right? We'll put these chicken breasts on. They're ready to roll. Oh yeah, listen at that. And like I said, because they're so thin, they're gonna cook pretty quickly. That's it.
Oh yeah.
All right. Okay. All right, so, oh yeah, look at that. That breast is nice. Nice color right there. That's beautiful. They got enough heat now. So they're good. I can move them over here, stack them over here. They'll still finish cooking. There we go. All right, what's going on, good people? So let's do backtrack. We got the burgers done. Salmon's pretty much almost done. We got the chicken on. Now, we're getting ready to cut up some fresh veggies because we're gonna get over here on the cast iron and we're gonna grill up some veggies to go with it, all right? I got white onions, I got all the multicolored peppers, green, red, orange, got a couple of garlic cloves. So now we're gonna cut these up. Put some spices on, some olive oil. It's gonna be perfect for the meat. All right. All right. So first thing first, we're gonna cut the onion. We're gonna make nice slices here. Peppers. Cut all these up, and then I'm gonna show you, we're gonna cut them up into nice strips. There we go. And so now, we're just gonna put them in the strips. Real simple. There we go. I think if you notice me, a lot of people be cutting, they have their fingers all out, man. Keep them clawed, keep them hands, keep that thumb tucked under. All right? That's it. Mince up this garlic. I wanted kind of some solid pieces. I don't need it to be too fine, be rather coarse. There we go. All right, so now we got all our veggies cut. Put it all in here. Real simple. The olive oil. Toss those up. There we go. Garlic salt. There we go. Some pepper. There we go. And that's it. We're gonna be ready to put these bad boys in this cast iron I got back here. It's gonna be ready to go. That's it.
Okay.
All right, so look, you notice it's smoking. I got this bad boy, it's ready, it's nice and hot, but I want that specifically because I want to char these veggies up. So we got a little olive oil, we got some butter, and we're gonna we want that fire nice and hot. I might have you dress up a burger, like a bun, like put some legs so we can stack it with cheese. All right, so listen, we got the finished product. So listen, I got my burger here. I got mac and cheese over here. I got that grilled chicken and the veggies. So yeah, I'm gonna put that burger down here. Look at this right here. It's so beautiful. That's good. Ooh. I'm giving it a second. That's hot. Let's see. That's it.